Welcome back to the Elite Leisure Traveller, and today we're here with another hotel review, this time for the 5-night stay at the Westin Perth, Australia. And we start our tour today in the spacious and bright lobby area where you check in. This area also links to a comfortable lounging area where you can get light refreshments. And before we head to the rooms, I do appreciate all the viewers who subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. And we're going to start off in room 2501, which is a sensational 2-bed family suite. If you are travelling with children, this is an excellent option to give you all your own space. I do want to give a shout out to the front desk, who went out of their way to ensure that I got a great upgrade, and these types of rooms just make the stay a little bit extra special. The room itself is further divided by a nice modern bathroom which also has its own tub. Moving into the main living quarters, we had a nice comfortable king bed, and as you can imagine, the room had a great coffee machine, a comfortable sofa area and a table and chairs. And as we open those privacy blinds to let the light in, just take a moment to enjoy the spectacular view of the wonderful Perth city. So let's explore a bit more of the hotel, and we're going to start in the main restaurant and breakfast area. We really love the design of this building, and we were particularly impressed how they were able to restore the old building and incorporate it with the modern finishes that you'd expect to see in any new build. We did sample most of the items on the breakfast menu over the 5 days, and we were very impressed with the selection of food on offer. It certainly set us up for the day ahead, and the coffee was fantastic. And we move on to our facilities deck. Here you'll be able to find a spa, a gym and the great swimming pool. If having a space to work out is important to you, you will not go wrong here. They had a fully stocked gym, including lots of cardio machines, free weights and resistance weights. Personally, I prefer to lace up my trainers and head down to the waterfront where there's a fantastic running track. So let's take a look outside where you'll be able to find the swimming pool. If you are a sun worshipper, you'll be pleased to know that the rays hit this deck for most of the day. As far as city pools go, I was quite impressed with the small but great pool. It was not that busy, the area was clean, and it also offered some great views over the city. If you are a Bonvoy Elite member, you'll probably want to head to the lounge at some point. And again, we were very impressed with the cocktail hours. They served a range of hot and cold foods with complimentary wines, beers and spirits. What more do you want? due to availability, we were unable to keep the 2-bed suite, but we were moved to a 1-bedroom spectacular suite with fantastic views, open spaces, which was very bright. And again, we were very happy with this room allocation. Highly recommend this one as well. And as you move back through the room, you are greeted by another sensational bedroom, a perfect king-size bed, which was very comfortable, another modern bathroom and ample wardrobe space with a great view of the city. We were very happy with our stay at the Westin. Thank you very much for your hospitality. A 5-star review from us. Thank you once again for watching. Please do subscribe and hope to see you on the next review.